Hello, family and friends. Welcome to Smokepot Balance Kitchen. You know, you're here with your one and only Smokepot. Well, by now all of you should know what happened in Jamaica with Hurricane Melissa. And it's tough. I've been watching different videos, different vloggers, different news medias, and wow, it looked like an atomic bomb dropped in some places. It's really heart-wrenching. Thank God the death toll wasn't more than it is. But at the end of the day, we gotta rebuild. We gotta do whatever we can do. As the Jamaican term say, one cocoa full basket. We have to do what we have to do. I've been doing something myself, and I'll just show you guys. We're gonna need assistance if you can, but we're actually packing a few barrels with food, clothing, sanitary things, name it, everything, whatever we get and whatever we can acquire by ourselves. That's what we are gonna do. The Smokepot team. Yes, guys. So I've already packed 2 barrels with some food item and some clothes. We still have a lot of stuff. I gotta presently have like 5 barrels that I'm packing. I'll have to get some more. That one need to be properly packed. That is like food items and so on. I have a next one right here. Toothpaste, everything. It doesn't matter what it is. People are saying they have lost everything, every single thing. It means that even when it comes to clothing items, we can't think like, okay, too much clothes is enough. It can't be, because you've lost everything. So whatever we get, whatever we can send, we'll just have to send. I've reached out to a few people so far and let them know about my plans to try to do whatever we can. And I've gotten some feedback so far. So right now I'm here in the process of packing some of the barrels, because I'm trying to send them off by latest next week. So as I'm saying, clothing items, food items, sanitary stuff, a lot of baby stuff. We just gotta do what we gotta do. I think I'll have to buy a few more barrels, but we just have to do with what we have for now. The more items we get, then the more we'll have to be sending off. So family, as I said before, we're doing whatever we can do. If you want to participate, I'm going to leave some information in the description. It doesn't matter, whatever it is, we'll appreciate it, because Jamaica need all the help right now. And we're going to take Jamaica back to where it was. Very resilient, very powerful people, very proud people. But this is not a time to be prideful. This is a time where we just have to make it happen. My sister doing a little thing right now, trying to help, because we are trying to pack the barrels as tightly as possible. So whatever can make it, will make it. You have something to say to the fans?
Sure. Hi guys. I just want to say a big thank you to Jesse, Eliza, Miles, and Dean, and all their other friends and family who have donated to this worthy cause. Some of these clothes items here for the kids, adults, toiletries, body wash, a whole bunch of stuff they have donated. They dropped it off today. So we just want to say a big thank you, and others can follow in their footsteps. It doesn't matter what it is. Can be a little soap, it can be clothing, whatever it is. Thank you, guys.
Okay, guys. So remember, it's Smoke Pot Balance Kitchen. I'll leave some information in the description. All right. Love you all.
So here we
Then I think we don't want it like that one. Oh, yeah, said one. Oh, them are upright. Yeah, oh,
so
but I carry this 1, 2, 3. And you want every one up, sir?
It gotta be, because it's right here, so. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's out there.
Yeah, come on, tilt. Would you use a black handler? Don't we use a black?
yeah.
Alright, come. Ready? Come. We got the comfort now, come. Ready? We're tilting up. One second. Black there, bring them.
No, it could have walled
Yeah,
through.
I don't think that wall. It could wall if I put. Let me see.
Oh, you know, that's space for the next two up. And then next two, the two lighter ones stand up.
I never take all this rest.
You got too much work like that. No, man, the two of them can stand up. Yeah, hours inch. Oh, yeah.
You have to cut out the voice for me. I come in. Let's see.
No, man, I forgot. I do it over there.
So this drive my vehicle.
Take some pictures. Snap it. So that camera. Take 2 pictures.
3D.